Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing this realistic everyday sort of makeup look. You can wear this makeup for your office, college, everywhere you want to. So let's get started. I've already cleansed my face. Now I'll be using this moisturizer first. So I'll be applying this product all over my face and neck and massaging nicely into my skin. Once that's done, I'm using this lip balm for my lips, and then I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil to fill in my eyebrows. So I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows in natural way. I'm not going to make it dramatic or anything. So I'm just going to follow my natural eyebrow shape, and then I'm going to fill in my eyebrows like this. And yeah, then using this primer for my T-zone, and I'll be applying it under my eyes as well like this. And then on top I'm using this concealer. So I'm not going to use any foundation, BB cream or anything. I'm just going to use this concealer in medium beige, and then I'm going to conceal my dark circles, blemishes and wherever it is needed. And then I'm using this beauty blender to blend the concealer. So this makeup look is not full coverage, it is just wearable kind of makeup look, and it will make you look presentable. So I prefer this kind of makeup look on a daily basis. So I hope this will be helpful for all the people out there who just go for office, college, and you can carry this look. Then I'm going to use this compact to set my base. So you can use any good compact so that you can skip foundation. Once I'm done powdering my face, I'm using this setting spray to set my base, and I'm going to make sure it's all blended nicely and there is no powderiness. Then next I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm using this mascara. So I'll be applying it on my bottom and top lashes. Then for my kajal, I'm using this nude pencil. If you want, you can use a black kajal also, but I like nude pencil, so I went ahead with that. Then I'm using this highlighter for my bridge of my nose. Only on my nose I'm going to apply it, and if you want, you can apply it on the highest points also, but I prefer only on my nose. Then I'm using this nude lipstick for my lips, and then I'm going to apply it all over my lips and taking off the excess like this. And to finish off my look, I'm using this corally peachy blush on my cheeks, and this is my final makeup look. I hope you all liked it and it was helpful. Thank you all so much for watching.